The Nextec Nesting machining centers from Holz-Her includes 3 lines in various sizes and degrees of automation, giving Holz-Her the right solution for every requirement and every size shop. Nesting machining with the Nextec offers the advantage of precision formatting and CNC machining with one single clamping operation, and this with minimum handling by the machine operator. Our nesting technology is perfect for use of state-of-the-art connection technologies such as the ClamXP system or Cabaneo connectors. The Nextec 4.0 solution goes far beyond pure machining operations. Nextec 4.0 offers a complete solution for entry and control of production and material flow in the workshop. The Nextec 4.0 server PC is the heart of this technology. The Nextec 4.0 computer takes over part design as well as control of the data and material flow during work preparation. This server PC then automatically transfers the data to the machine. The advantages are obvious. Work preparation and the machine are interlinked using cutting-edge technology, while the data remains in local storage in your workshop. With Cabinet Select, Holz-Her offers the simplest method for generating CNC and cutting data for panel furniture. Over 400 furniture designs are included in the standard library on all Nextec machining centers. Other professional CAD/CAM software systems can be used for even greater flexibility. Naturally, standardized interfaces to the Holz-Her warehouse program are also available here. The warehouse program serves for managing orders using the integrated warehouse database. Among other features, this software allows consolidation of multiple orders for production as one collective job. The integrated workpiece management list allows workpieces and their quality to be entered and changed manually. The software also includes a material database. Data is reconciled automatically. The job database on the machine computer serves for monitoring the orders pending for the machining center, as well as the degree to which they have been processed. This provides the machine operator with a clear overview of the nesting plans to be produced. Moreover, it shows the anticipated processing time, degree of processing and production time achieved. Holz-Her offers various manual and automated labeling systems for marking workpieces. The fully automatic direct label system integrated into the machine offers maximum convenience. Here, the labels are attached to the correct position on the panel before CNC machining. The job database provides automatic feedback on the job processing progress, ensuring a continuous overview of the orders pending and allowing long-term work planning. Of course, the Nextec 4.0 solution is also available for the 5-axis nesting machining centers. The 5-axis head with universal mounts offers greater flexibility in designing and producing your work. Nextec 4.0 is more than just a machine, more than just a server, and more than just software. Nextec 4.0 is a complete solution for carpentry shops of the future.